A bell paper cup, an eraser ring, an awesome snowball maker? Do you think they're attributes of a weird future world? No, it's a compilation of new funny hacks that work magic. My friend's school supplies are always a mess. They're scattered all over her desk. How does she pick them around the house? It's great she's got a friend like me who's an efficient school supply manager. I can conjure a stationery holder. Cut a magazine in half. Squeeze hot glue onto a spine and roll the magazine. Take some pages and apply hot glue along the spine inside. Turn the pages to attach their edges to the spine. Repeat for the other part of the magazine. Put the base on cardboard and outline. Cut out the bottom and hot glue to the flower-shaped holder. Put your school supplies into the petals. This cute flower holder looks gorgeous. Besides, it's quite practical. All your school supplies will be kept in order. You'll never lose anything. There's no eraser at the end of my pencil again. A headless pencil isn't a problem, because my friend's got the one eraser ring. Cut the eraser with a metal end out of a pencil. Take a blank ring and hot glue the eraser to the pad. If you want to erase something, turn the ring with the eraser down. Aha! Here she is! My friend with her magic ring. I grasp her hand and start erasing my mistakes. She thinks it's too much and gives me her eraser ring. She doesn't want me to take her hand each time I want to correct my mistakes. Yellow color, smell of rubber, and squirrel fur on the metal end of a pencil? It's Edward Brush Hands! He sneaks along the halls and dreams of scaring you with his portrait. Ah! Oh, it's my friend. She's always inventing something. She's got brushes instead of her fingers today. You'll need broken tops of old brushes. Smooth the ends using sandpaper. Put a rubber glove on your hand. Drop hot glue on the glove finger. Attach a brush. Repeat for each finger. Dip all your finger brushes in different paints. You can get a few different colors at the same time. Paint a masterpiece of modern art using this awesome glove. I think trained dolphins paint similar pictures at the performances, but I won't tell her this to make my friend upset. I prefer the classic painting technique. One brush in one hand. Are you still combining yoga and cleaning? You deserve something better, Cinderella. For example, my invention, Mop Sock. Cut a mop pad in half. Hot glue Velcro next to the cutout on each half. Put a sock on your hand and into the pocket on the other end of the pad. Attach the sock heel to the Velcro. You'll be able to take it off easily for washing. Use these smart mop socks to turn your cleaning into rock and roll. Clean the floor dancing. The whole world keeps shining around you. Hooray! It's snowing at last. I want to go out immediately. How do you avoid getting stuck in a snowdrift? Use DIY snow breakers. Take a plastic bottle and cut off the top and the bottom. Cut the plastic cylinder in half. Put each of the halves onto your shoe and mark the toe box. Cut out the holes. Prick 2 holes for a rubber band using a heated awl. Measure out the rubber band to fit your shoe. Pass it through the holes. Fasten with knots at the ends. Put the snow breakers on your boots. Here it is, a true Santa Claus life hack. Though you should have made bigger snow breakers, so that way they work right. It's no easy thing to make a perfect snowball. Let's make a special device, a snowball maker. Remove the clip from a plastic Christmas ball. Carefully cut it in half. Measure out a rubber band to fit your palm. Attach it to a ball half. Make snowmakers for both of your hands. Put them on your gloves. Take some snow and join them to make a perfect snowball. It flies and hits the target. Your snowmaker is an excellent winter attribute. A sparkler is a magic thing. but the sparks are quite real. Use another hack to protect your hand from a shower of sparks. Prick a hole in the bottom of a big carton cup. Use the blank wire end of the sparkler. Put your hand in and enjoy the sparkling safely. Someone may think I've gotten disguised as Captain Hook. I don't care since I've got a good protection for my hands. I want to take some sugar, but there seems to be only forks available. What's the discrimination? Where are all the spoons? But I know a life hack. We need a plastic fork. Wrap it around with decorative tape. A pretty spoons appeared in a heap of disposable forks. It's breaking news of the cutlery world. A fork's turned into a spoon. And here's my friend taking the only spoon available in the kitchen. Do you want to have a drink? Are there no clean cups? Don't worry, take a bell pepper and make a cup. Cut the top from a big bell pepper. Remove the core. Pour in some water. Use the top with the stalk removed as a cap. Put a drinking straw into the hole. In summer, you can use this hack to substitute your regular cups. All you need is to change the vegetables every day. This unusual cup may be a perfect fit for a vegetable smoothie, and the pretty spoon x fork will be a perfect match. There are still no clean dishes, but I've got a life hack. It's a smart dishwashing glove. Cut an abrasive part from a sponge. Cut it up into 5 strips. Trim the soft part to fit your palm. Cut out a hole for your thumb. Hot glue the abrasive strips to the fingers of a rubber glove. Attach the sponge to the palm. Put dishwashing liquid into your glove. Wash the dishes quickly and easily. Fire is no game. How do you protect your hand from hot oil splatter? Use a DIY hand protecting screen. Snip off the top part of a plastic bottle. Melt the edges using a lighter. Put in the handle of the kitchen utensil you're going to use. Put your hand into the bottle top. My friend gives me the plastic screen. I hold the handle inside, keeping my skin protected from the grease burn. Take your fried egg out safely and easily. Bon appetit! I'm going to cook sausages, but there seems to be no pot available. Hey, where are you? Okay, if you lack a pot, use my clever hack. Put pre-cooked sausages into an electric kettle. Turn it on and wait until the water boils. The sausages have been cooked in the kettle. Enjoy the hot sausages with the fried egg for breakfast. I've got socks that don't conform to the usual stereotype. They smell gorgeous. Put cotton pads into little Ziploc bags. Add a few drops of essential oils into each. Zip the bags and prick them with a pushpin. Put the smelling bags into your socks. My friend notices an odd thing lying on the shelf. What's this? Socks on the shelf? Oh, what a sweet fragrance! It must be an air freshener. What a beautiful morning! Coffee in bed and a spot on the t-shirt. Oh heck, it's spoiled. Or not. To hide the spot on your t-shirt, act drastically. Put it into a bowl. Pour in some coffee to cover the t-shirt. No one will notice the spot. The t-shirt is now of a coffee and milk shade, and it's got a smell of coffee. If you lack an extra hand to hold your snacks, this funny hack will help you hold everything. Mark the place to fasten a cord in a new toilet seat. Make a hole using a heated awl. Repeat for the other side. Make the same holes in the lid. Pass 2 leather cords into the opposite holes. Fasten with knots. Hang the seat on your neck, making a snack holder out of the lid. Your hands are free. You can snack wherever you want. Just remember to take off the snack holder when you're going out. Do you think these funny hacks work magic? Write in your comments which one you're going to use. Be sure to subscribe, add your like to this video, and click the bell to learn more awesome life hacks.